Hello everyone. Welcome to K-Tech. My name's Kevin. In today's video, I want to show you how I'm going to make a thumbnail for a video that I've done made. Now I apologize if you can hear the rain or the wind. It's pouring rain and the wind gusts from 30 to 60 mile an hour. So if you're hearing any of that, I apologize now. And for my voice because I'm sick. But in today's video, I want to show you how I'm going to make a thumbnail for a video that I've already made. And I'm going to use Canva, and I do have a paid subscription of $12.99 a month, so that helps to get in the pro choices or anything I want. Okay, for this video, I'm showing you how you can have up to 6 open tabs when Microsoft Edge shows you only have 4 at the most. Well, we can have 6. So for this thumbnail, I want to show a screenshot of all 6 of those on the screen. So first of all, we're going to make this happen. No, I don't want a big screen. Let's just do it. Alright. Looks as if I'm going to have to resize these. Right there, that's as far as it lets you go that way. And this way, I just want it where I can have, 2 even size right here. Let me show you what I mean. Just grab one, drag it over. I want them all to be the same size. Because you can actually have up to 6, not 4. It says 4, but you can actually have 6 like this. But like I said, in today's video, I'm just wanting a thumbnail for my video I've already made. Okay, so now I have 6 of these open. What I want to do now is I want to take a screenshot of the screen, so I'm going to open the snipping tool. I'm going to hit new. Right there it was. It just took a screenshot. Okay. Close. Let's go find where it put that. Let's try pictures. Screenshots right here. Okay, here it is. Okay. So now that I've got that screenshot out of the way, I'm going to move these. You just drag and drop these right back into one tab. I think it just tried to make a group. We'll get rid of that group. Let's see, group 1, no group. Ungroup. Okay. Alright. So we'll drop that down. Well, actually we need to open that back up. We need to go home to Canva. Okay, I want to make a YouTube thumbnail. I'm actually going to start from a blank one. First, I want to type something here. Okay, and I'm going to make this probably big. I want to probably stretch it, so I'll just stop it right there. Not 4, but 6. open tabs. In okay. Well, obviously I want to bold this. Next I'm going to try and stretch it bigger. Mm, okay, somehow I'm going to have to make this smaller. Okay, that'll do. Not 4, but 6 open tabs. So I'm probably going to go ahead and underline this and the 6. Okay, not 4, but 6 open tabs in Microsoft Edge. Okay, now I'm going to upload that screenshot that I took after I refined it. Pictures, screenshots, and boom. Okay, that's uploading. Alright. I want to drag that over into here. And obviously I had to resize that, but that's fine. Okay, elements recently used. I just uploaded let's go to uploads. I just uploaded a Microsoft Edge. Right here, icon. I want to put that over here. Drag that a little bigger. Let's see if we can make that any bigger. Hold on. Let's try and move this up a little and drag it over. That's pretty good. Let's drag this down a little. Maybe we can move this one. That right there will work. Let's just drag this back up to fit the screen. Okay, so not 4, but 6 open tabs in Microsoft Edge. Let's try and type in wow. Okay. Okay, that's working. Okay, so far this is what I got. I think I'll make the background black and the writing white. Start from there. Background black, writing white. I think instead of wow, we'll put new. Underline. Okay, so I'm not sure the white writing is going to work. So let's work on the writing. Undo. Okay. Let's try like red. Now let's play with the coloration. Again, you can use any colors you want or however you want to do it. I started this with a blank screen and I used a screensaver that I copied myself, which isn't the best one, but it is different screens. You can tell there's 6 of them there, I hope. She used a darker white, darker white, a darker white probably, but not 4, but 6 open tabs in Microsoft Edge. Okay, now what I want to do, I don't want to do that, I'm undoing that. Okay, I'm going to try a different color on the white. I'm going to try like gray. Let's see how that does. Seems a little too dark. Let's try lighter gray. Not 4, but 6 open tabs in Microsoft Edge. New. At the same time, let's play with the colors. Let's see what we dislike best. We can try yellow. Yellow is a pretty color, bright. Look around with it till it's your personal way you want it to look. Nope. Don't like that. Okay, that's not too bad. It's not great. I mean, I could just let the yellow, but it is different and it catches your eye, hopefully. Because hopefully the title itself will do the job and the pictures. But I want to change the color one more time. I'm going to try blue on the edge here. We might even do Microsoft as well. Let's just give it a try, see what happens. Okay, now I'm just going to leave it that way. It's a lot of colors, but it's really 1, 2, 3 colors, and then 1, 2 pictures in the diagram. But right from the title, it says not 4, but 6 open tabs in Microsoft Edge. New. Well, there's nothing new about it. I don't think nothing's new about these tabs in Microsoft Edge where you can open 4, 5, or 6 of them. I think you can always do that. You just had to reshape them yourself. And when I say reshape them, I just mean just make the box smaller. Just shape the, just size up the boxes. Just change the size of the boxes, and you could have put 4 on here 5 years ago. I mean, there's nothing new about it besides in this edition we have these right here. I mean, this might be the new feature everybody's talking about, is where you have this up here, but it don't show nothing about 6. I got 6 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you're on 6 business call or a business call with 6 different people, if Zoom allows you to do 6 different things, you have 6 people you can talk to at the same time. Or you be talking to 3 people and sharing 3 different screens at the same time. I don't really use this stuff, but I'm sure businesses do, and they know what they're doing. And they may already know this. But if they don't, I want to show them that you can have 6 tabs open at the same time. Sure, you can limited view on some of them, but you can still do everything you want to. Okay, but again, this is just to create a thumbnail for the video I done made, which is 6 open tabs in Microsoft Edge. I don't know how new it is, but I think it's new. It'll be new to people who hasn't tried that. All they had to do was just reshape the boxes from the beginning. You can fit 6 of them in there if you make them as small as you can. So this is going to be my thumbnail. Now, honestly, you could have done this with the free version because I do have the paid, but I just downloaded this guy from the internet because Canva didn't have it, or I couldn't find it. And you've seen me take a screenshot of this with my snipping tool, and I just typed in these words and changed the colors. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to download it because I'm going to use it on the video of 6 tabs open with Microsoft Edge. And I'm already done. So I am going to continue to home with my Canva profile. Once it's home, I can close this home out. And that's exactly how I made my thumbnail. And I hope this helps you guys out and teaches you that you can do a thumbnail from scratch, easy. Because I am no professional. I have done a lot of thumbnails, but that was one of the easier ones I've done. And I hope this helps you guys out. And I'll appreciate if you guys will subscribe and like and comment on other videos you want me to make. And I'll make those for you guys. And I appreciate you watching my videos. And as always, thank you for watching. And I will talk to you in the next video. Thank you.